I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill, and this is Spanish rice. Or Mexican rice. I've heard it called both. For me, it's just rice. Let's get started. Now let's get all of this into this. I would say on a medium-high heat, cover the bottom of the pan with a generous amount of oil. Into that oil, let's go with 2 cups of rice, and we're just going to toast this rice. This may take a few minutes. One way you can tell if you have enough oil is if all of the rice is coated with oil and there's still a little bit of oil left on the bottom of your pan. This is kind of dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more oil. We're going to add a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of black pepper. So I'm adding the celery, onion, and garlic. We're going to cook these until they soften a little bit. Once the vegetables have softened a little bit, you want to add your tomatoes. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat back up and start to get everything really hot so that when I add the chicken broth, it'll come to a boil quicker. We're going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. For this rice, we're going to use 4 cups of liquid to 2 cups of rice. Give it a light stir just to even out the rice, and just lay that cilantro right across the top. Now at this point the lid's going to go on, and you do not remove the lid. We're going to cook this at a low simmer, so we want to actually see the liquid moving the whole time this is cooking. Lid on, don't take it off until the rice is done. You can see the bubbles coming up through the glass lid. That's what you want to see while your rice is cooking. Now, don't lift the lid, but it's okay if you want to give the pot a little swirl just to even out the rice. Fire is at a medium low. When the liquid has reduced enough to where you don't see it anymore, go ahead and set the burner as low as it can go. Once it looks done, you don't see any, opaque looking rice that still has kind of a white center, then let the rice rest for about 5 minutes with the heat off. Okay, the rice has been resting for 5 minutes. Let's give it a look and a taste. Perfect. That's my rice recipe. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you next time.